Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your Game Pass Ultimate is active and cloud access is allowed for your region because permissions matter. Next, test your connection speed and latency. A stable 10 Mbps or higher and ping under 100 ms keeps streams smooth. Once done, close competing apps and pause downloads on the same network so bandwidth is dedicated to cloud gaming. This reduces buffering and gives you a clean baseline to troubleshoot from. Now perform targeted network and device fixes. Power cycle your router and modem, then restart your console or PC to clear transient errors. If you're on Wi-Fi, move to 5 GHz or plug in an Ethernet cable to cut jitter and packet loss. Wired is more reliable. Make sure NAT type is open and UPnP is enabled on the router so ports open automatically. This prevents connection negotiation failures that stop sessions from initializing. These steps finish with app and isolation checks. Clear the Xbox app cache or browser site data, then sign back and so corrupted tokens or cached assets don't block loading. If the problem persists, switch to another device or a mobile hotspot to determine whether the issue is local or network side. This isolates the fault quickly. If nothing works, collect logs, record timestamps of failures, and contact Xbox support with that info so they can trace backend or account issues. This speeds up resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.